basically, in other space news this past week, there was the longest solar eclipse of this century. It was visible to people in India, Nepal, Bhutan, I don't know, China, Japan, okay, in Asia, Bangladesh saw it. So it was very exciting for people. People considered it auspicious. Some people were in the Ganges, the Ganga, while it was happening. So they're like in the water looking at the eclipse. On the other hand, some people were considered it inauspicious. And pregnant women were told to stay indoors. Sounds sexist, maybe. I wonder if they were told to stay indoors with their shoes off. But I'm straying. But, just considered it's, stay indoors. Don't look at the covered sun. I don't know what the sun getting eaten by a demon, perhaps. But basically the moon was passing in front of the sun. It was the longest solar eclipse this century. Like I said, just visible in Asia, not to us here in the United States, in North and South America. Or the fucking Europeans missed out on that too, but fuck them. I mean, they basically fucked up the Earth as we know it with colonization and the Industrial Revolution. But, I mean, obviously other people would have a different take on that, but I come from the planet Mars. So that's my take on it. But seriously, in cold hard fucking fact, space news, the moon crosses in front of the sun, and then at this point you can see the corona, the gases around the sun. And so that's really exciting. Scientists can learn more about why the gases of the corona surrounding the sun are so hot, what's going on there. So, it's very exciting stuff. And the people of Asia really had a good time. Some people went up in the airplane, but also some school children in like India or Nepal or something were kept home from school just to be safe, that the demon that's eating the sun didn't eat them. I don't know. I don't know about their exotic mysteries and fantasies about the animistic world around them, okay? Us atheists here in the United States, I don't know. I don't know how your demon gods work. I'm just kidding. I love your demon gods. God bless them. And you're not going to have to bow down to Jesus in my house. If you want to bow down to Jesus, that's fine. But I'm not going to fucking hit your head over with a Bible. Because I don't think that's what Jesus would want. I think Jesus would be down with Buddha. I really see like Jesus and Buddha like smoking a blunt on the banks of the Ganges together. And just like loving each other. Not in a sexual way, but in a brotherly way. And furthermore, the eclipse provided a brotherly event so that people did sit side by side on the Ganges and watch this event. So, I don't know when this is going to happen again in the U.S., but, it's good. And it helped scientists understand solar flares, okay, and other structures of the sun, and so that's very exciting because it lasted so long, okay. Some people went up in an airplane to see it, and they're very exciting. And one dude was like, once you've seen these, like, you're hooked on them. It's like a drug to see these eclipses. Like, when can I get my next eclipse fix? Sort of how they looked at it. So I'm Abe Mazur, and this has been your weekly space news fix, okay? So tune back next week, 11:30, channel 57 on Time Warner, 11:30 p.m., channel 57. Tune back in for your next space news fix. You fucking space junkies!